Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix sent emails not showing up in sent folder on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Method 1. Choose off in the undo send delay. Launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Swipe down to see mail and tap on it. Now swipe down to see undo send delay and tap on it. Here choose off. Method 2. Sign out your email account and sign back in. For that, launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Swipe down to see mail and tap on it. Now tap on account and select the email that is not showing the sent emails. Here, delete your email account. Tap on delete from my iPhone. Now wait for few minutes, then re-add the account. So guys, if your email doesn't appear in the sent folder after trying both methods, you need to reboot your phone once. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.